So in this video I'll explain you some basic concept of this blender. Okay, basics of blender. So whenever you open the blender for the first time, it will look like this. So this is called the splash screen. Okay, a splash screen. Here your recent file will be visible here. Okay, even you can donate it. You can open your saved file from here, and you can directly jump into the 2D animation, sculpting, general, VFX and video editing. But most of the time we will choose this, or you can say 100 times we will choose this general. Okay, so I'm going to choose this general and don't save because it's already. So this is the first visual of this blender. Okay, it has a cube. Okay, this is the cube, this is the camera, and this is the light. As you can see, this cube, camera and the light. Okay, now here the name is here camera, cube and light. Okay, this is called the outliner, means all your 3D props, lights and anything which are in the 3D viewport. Okay, this is the 3D viewport. This entire screen is 3D viewport. This is the outliner and this is the property. You can even check the name from here, property, outliner. Okay, this is 3D viewport and this is timeline. That's perfect. So this is these are some tools. You can even check the names by expanding it. Okay, and collapsing it like this. This is the move tool, rotate tool and scale tool. So I'll explain you. Wait, now here it is called the gizmo. Okay, this is gizmo. You can rotate it using this gizmo. Okay, even you can rotate it. You can zoom it using this zoom out and zoom in button. You can navigate it, okay, like this from this button as well. Zoom out, zoom in, navigation, rotation. Okay, this is camera view mode. Now let me show you. Okay, you can see this is the camera, and yes, here this camera is now capturing this portion. Okay, this portion. So if I press this camera button, then you will enter into the camera view mode. As you can see, I'm entering into the camera view mode, means what the camera is capturing is now visible here. Okay, so and after pressing this camera view mode, the another lock icon is now visible, but I will explain it later. So this is called the, you can say, the orthographic projection or perspective projection. If you press this, then it will look like 2D and everything is now meshed. So I'm going to disable it. So now that's perfect. Okay, so let me revise you. This is outliner, this is property, this is 3D viewport, this is animation type, and this is tools. Okay, so this is enough for this video. So I'll explain you remaining things in the next video. Bye.